John's home. I'm very happy to be here with John. He's a very nice gentleman. He's an Englishman. Follow me, guys. Look at this beautiful weather. Last 24 degrees. Without shoes here.
Disco balls light up the room. All the colors they look
We're going out to Alma, another pub. It's one of my favorites. I showed you that pub a year ago. So we're going there.
Your eyes on me.
It's quite cool, Joe, but it's okay. It's not far from here.
Yeah, I'm free falling into
Let's go to Alma.
in the thick of it. It's neat on the way you light up in a sweat. All I wanna do is keep you in my view, dancing around you. Dancing around you. Dancing, dancing, dancing around you. Dancing
Cars everywhere.
Other people, I only see you. I'm having the best time. You're smiling, you're laughing, yeah, baby, you're making this fun. Your hands on me, that's everything that I want. Yeah, I'm free falling into feelings in the thick of it. It's neat on the way you light up minutes when all I wanna do is keep you in my view, dancing around you.
This is the Alma. But they say good food,
Dancing
John.
around you.
You said they don't provide food.
Dancing around you.
Hey, bloodymary. I was thinking about make bloodymary. And you're gonna make for me. Yeah? No pressure. Look at that. Lovely. Very happy to be here again. Yeah. Look at that. This is the vodka. It's over here. And I have a juice here. I'm gonna pour some here. And I can add this, you know, Tabasco and celery and this one. So all this is gonna be here. And all this I have to one glass. How wonderful it is. And I'm gonna taste it. And to be honest, it's so tasty. And to tell you, not just all this and this one. Very tasty. I'm gonna drink few because so tasty.
Australia, I've been to New Zealand, I've been to
We enjoy have a party here. You want to be on the
let me put my hair up.
No? Okay. I'm so happy to be here. So many nice people in farnhamn. This is my second drink. Yeah, exactly. Oh. You have to be very fast to running very fast. Yeah. So nice place. Guys, it's farnhamn.
Yeah, I almost fell over.
It's a very nice people to talk with. John, we talk with everyone there, and they were so friendly, and they talking. Not like in Sweden, nobody talking. But here, guys, come to England. If you feel alone, come here. Everyone talk to you. Doesn't matter what about. They don't care. Just talk to them. That's why I love England, because you can talk.
The waters are sharing.
That's why it's my second home.
Don't deny it.
This one.
Don't deny it. Don't
Second
deny it. Isn't this what
I love Sweden and I love England, especially Farnham.
Don't deny it. Don't deny it. All the light.
Car is so fast. Now we have time to chase this garden.
Oh, the river becomes one with the waters it
Wonderful.
Don't deny it. Don't deny it.
Wonderful.
Don't deny it. Isn't this what we've been waiting for? Don't deny it. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. All the light. The light.
Jesus.
All the light.
So guys, this is how we're enjoying wine on the June. Yeah. Nice garden. You want to June? I'm enjoying to be in this garden, beautiful garden. And guys, this video is quite short. Don't forget to subscribe and like.